All right, I picked up one of these Axial SCX10.3 Coyotes. They're 10th scale, brushed electric 4x4, ready to run crawler. Yeah. Picked one of these up. This one is not the battery and charger version. As wanted to go with a little bit bigger battery to match my SCX10 Pro. But yeah, let's get it open and see what all the goodies are. Squishy. So apparently it's a one clip body. Wow, that is nice. That is about the quickest of the crawler bodies. Well, I say that, but my SCX10 Pro is magnets, so it rivals it for sure. Nice weight to it. Pretty good flex. The tires are ridiculously grippy feeling. It is a brushed 35T motor with a waterproof brushed ESC. Battery tray up here. Anyway. That's there. Oh. We have been interrupted by Shy Guy. I don't know what he is doing. Just jumping around. Okay. Anyway, so got oil filled shocks. The front drive is 10% overdrive. So it says it'll keep you more planted. Like if you're going up an incline, instead of the back end wanting to kind of flip you, it should kind of pull you a little harder to keep those wheels planted. Plenty of spots to mount the shocks. Let's do a side-by-side of this and the SCX10 Pro. Nice little comparison. Flex-wise, that. So, honestly, a little more flex for me to start out with. I am going with the same 3S 2230C battery. Just curious how it is. I'm gonna bind it to the stock SLT2 just to make sure everything works correctly. And then as soon as that's good, I will bind it to the DX6. Being that it is 100% stock and brushed, it's a perfect side-by-side comparison. So I'm gonna set up some kind of obstacle course and I'm gonna run both of them. Yeah. Get some batteries on charge, throw the body back on, and we'll see how this does. Very curious. Got both the batteries on charge. Didn't realize they gave me a non G2 battery until I had opened it. So whatever, it's a crawler. It ain't that big of a deal. But yeah, I'm gonna get both these charged up. That one was actually at capacity, so storage capacity, so that was nice. The other one ironically was not. So yeah, once those are charged, see how they do. And this did come with the manual, different gear, maybe a gear updrive or reduction, batteries for the controller, and a couple tools. So yeah. Yeah, so the batteries I run are just a little too wide. So what I'm gonna probably end up doing is remaking this piece just a hair wider, because it would be quicker and cheaper than on a different battery, and gives me a challenge. But for now, we'll just I'm gonna zip tie that in place. I'm gonna grab a zip tie. Okay. Let's tie this in place. Good enough. I just didn't want it to flop out. Shouldn't, but we'll see. Alright, put this body back on. Alright. Do not need all that speed. That's it. Oh, okay. So it's at 75%. Nice. It is on 3S. Make sure the wheels are tight because you never know. You're not touching body to there, or I'm touching body there. So that's kind of cool. It'll probably still even drive like that. Not a bad amount of control for a brushed system, honestly. And then it does have the portal axles, so axles do drop down some, or the hubs drop down some, excuse me. But yeah, I like how this thing is. So give me just a couple minutes and yeah. Alright, I have to do a slight adjustment. That was on me, not the truck. All right, so that was pretty good. Let me reset these. But honestly, control for brushed and everything was pretty good. Alright, so now we're going to try the SCX10 Pro out. Ooh, light bar hit. Oh no, no. Alright, so maybe not the best thing to have magnet mounts on. Let's try that again. All right.